Happy Saturday. Let's look at SPX on the monthly chart. Let's look at the levels around us, these support and resistance levels, to kind of see where we could potentially go next. So looking right through here, we have our resistance level at 56 or 52.64. That was one we thought we would see some resistance and kind of slow down, and we've just slammed right through it. It was amazing. And then the next level down here to look for is going to be this 60.24 area. This is that support level. So when we get down to about 60.24, just want to keep our eyes open and see how we respond. Last time we were through here, we broke through, we pulled back, retested it, and then got some continuation to the upside. So we could potentially do this again, where we get some sort of pullback in the next few weeks, and then we retest and get some continuation down. So the next level underneath that, just to keep in mind, is this 4,800 area, 4,809, 4,815-ish. Somewhere in there, we could potentially see the next area where we kind of pull back. So we'll look at lower levels as we get there, but right now, I just want you to be clear on what levels we're right here in and what could potentially happen next. So those are levels I would mark on your chart. Looking at the weekly chart, what an incredible week. We busted through two different bounce zones and just about tapped the third. So this area, this 50.22, is the area to watch. Let's just see if we get down there, what happens. Will we bounce? Will we get some consolidation after big moves? Typically we see consolidation, right? So let's see, be patient next week. We may not get amazing moves. We may get continuation. We may just chop for a little bit. We also have PPI and CPI next week, so keep that in mind as well. Looking at our daily chart, typically we use our daily trend line for that reversal to kind of see where we're going. We don't have much to put through here. Since it's straight down, I'm going to leave this daily trend line for now. We have plenty of room to move to the upside. So we're just going to take a peek real quick. This is that bounce zone a little bit closer on the daily chart where we could see a potential bounce. 15 down to that 49.62 area is kind of the area that I'm going to be watching heading into next week to see where we go from there. If we push on up, this is going to be the area next that we'll have to kind of tackle through here. And this area, you can look left and we've got a whole lot of chop right through here. So let's just take it level to level next week and see if we can bounce here or if we see continuation and head on down further. So this is the area to keep in mind. If we were to reverse and head up, we have so much room up to our trend line. It's all the way back at that 5,600 area. So plenty of room to move higher. We should see at some point a relief bounce where we kind of come back up and we retest some levels. This is typical of what it looks like, but we just have not had that this last few days. Just plummeted. So again, this is the area I'm watching just to see if we get a bounce. And if not, when we're looking left, I'll add some other levels for you guys to kind of keep in mind as we move. But we definitely have an area right through here where we can see some up and down. We pushed higher, we pulled back, we pushed higher. This is definitely a range area. We're kind of in need of some consolidation at this point. So if we break lower, we could kind of range right through here for a little bit. So let's just trade our plans level to level, just like we always do.